Hello, Virgo singles, Sun, Moon, and Rising. This is your reading. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga personal reading, gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. So again, this is for Virgo singles. Let's start your reading. Ano ang messages para sa mga Virgo singles natin? Spirit guides, angel guides. Nakakamoy ako ng aso. I don't know. Or pusa. Like aso or pusa. Kasi, if it's pusa, maybe yung hininga ng pusa, ganun yan. Anyway, this could be a reading. Maybe you do have a pet beside you. So anyway, what do we have here for? Yan, I can really smell it. Messages for Virgo singles. Two of Pentacles, the World, Eight of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Kuha pa ako messages para sa mga Virgo singles. Virgo singles. You over the High Priestess, Six of Wands, Justice card, Two of Swords, and one more card please. Ace of Pentacles. Regarding this new beginning, kailangan ikaw ang mag-isip or ikaw ang masunod, and maybe you need to focus or you need to listen to your intuition. Kung ano man itong new beginning na ito, like with the Justice card, you need to, you know, pagdating sa pagdedesisyon, wag mong pakialaman or wag mo isipin yung iisipin ng iba, kung anong pananaw ng iba, kung tingin ng iba, kung anong emosyon ng iba. It's you na kailangan masunod regarding dito, because I can see a new beginning sa'yo, not only one but two kind of new beginning for you. Maybe also an ending with the Tower, pero yun nga, ang mahalaga dito is kung ano yung nasa isip mo, kung ano yung nasa emosyon mo, kung ano yung feel mong dapat mong gawain regarding dito sa aspeto na to or sa bagay na ito. Regarding this new beginning, wag mong isipin kung ano yung mararamdaman ng iba regarding dito. This is the time na kailangan mo maging manhid. Like for example, there's a friend. Example lang to. This is not everyone's situation, no. Maybe there's a friend, maybe malayo sa'yo, maybe a friend who is nasa malayo, nasa ibang bansa, pwedeng ganun. And then this person is with the Two of Pentacles, pwedeng may mga offers siya sa'yo, and then feeling niya kailangan mo din, or feeling niya makakatulong sa'yo. With the Eight of Wands, maybe there's this feeling na itong person na ito is talagang parang gusto niyang i-push itong plano na ito, and then ikaw yung nakikita niyang mapapagkatiwalaan, and gusto niyang makapartner regarding dito. But then, maybe you have a lot of things going on right now. Maybe ang totoo niyan, hindi mo kayang i-handle, i-manage. And this is just a stress for you kasi marami kang iba pang pinagkakabalahan. Hindi lang naman ito. Maybe you do have a lot of things na pwedeng ginagawa pa ngayon. Maybe you do have a lot of sources of income. Hindi lang naman yon na i-offer sa'yo. So, maybe this is like kalabit sa'yo to na parang wag oo ng oo, wag subo ng subo kung hindi mo naman kayang kainin, di ba? Or wag kuha ng kuha kung hindi mo naman kayang kainin lahat. You know, if you do have your own plate, yung plato, isipin mo yung isang plato, no? Maraming pagkain, nasa buffet ka. And then there's a lot of offer. Ang daming pagkain na ino-offer sa'yo. But alin lang ba doon yung kaya mong kainin? Alin lang ba doon yung gusto mo talaga? Yung iba pwedeng napipilitan ka lang because you want to try it. But what if you don't like it? Hindi mo pala kaya, hindi mo pala gusto. Hindi mo naman pwedeng iluwa, 'di ba? kailangan ubusin. Now, with regards to this the offer, yeah, may paparating sa'yo, but be sure na alam mo, kaya mo itong paparating na ito, na kaya mo siyang i-handle, i-manage, or kaya mong isabay sa kung ano yung mga meron ka na ngayon. So, you have to think before you react or act on it. Okay? So, yun yung message for you. Now, let's move on, Virgo. Single, pagdating sa messages, pagdating sa iyong love, ano yung messages pagdating sa iyong love? Messages pagdating sa iyong love. In the Lover, the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, the World, and the Five of Cups. Okay. The Ace of Cups is here. Six of Swords, the Sun, Page of Cups. I'm seeing a person in the past na minahal mo, nagbigay ng kalungkutan sa'yo. Maybe, this could be an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You're moving on, pero alam mo sa sarili mo that you still love this. Or if not you, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, maybe your family, your friends, or your parents, nakikita natin na hanggang ngayon ay nandun pa rin yung importansya or pagbibigay nila ng pahalaga dun sa person na yon. But the Sun, you should be happy, you should be, you should focus on positivity. Nakakita tayo dito ng the world, be more open pagdating sa love. And with the Five of Cups, normal yun na masasaktan, malulungkot with regards to the past person or past people in your life. But with the Six of Pentacles, nakikita naman natin na, there is this day or there's this time na may new love na paparating sa'yo. And maybe you should let go of the past habits, past person, past love, and focus on your home, your life, your family, and maybe yourself. No, just do love yourself and focus on your happiness. And whatever happened in the past, if this is a past person wherein um, there's this ending na nangyari sa inyo or something ended sa inyo, maybe both of you are not yet ready, 'di ba? And kung para siya sa'yo, just let go, the world, and be more open na lang sa mga bagong paparating sa'yo na magpapasaya sa'yo, Um, ang mundo parang dadating ang time na talagang iikot siya pabalik sa Sun, which is your happiness. So if you're currently not happy with what you have, with with the past people na dumating sa buhay mo, nawala din, and then nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa, just think na hindi naman yan natatapos lang dyan. May bukas pa 'di ba? Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, mag-focus ka na lang sa happiness. And regarding this other relationship or other people na pinupush ka regarding a relationship, for now, be honest to yourself. Are you really ready? 'Di ba? If you are ready for a new commitment, new connection, it's okay. 'Di ba? Pero if you still need time, um, with regards to yourself, no, na mahalin ang sarili mo, na mag-focus muna sa healing and whatsoever, and be honest with that. Be real with yourself. Kasi ang totoo niyan, ikaw naman ang makikipagrelasyon, hindi naman itong mga taong nagpo-push sa'yo, okay? So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.